Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about some of the must-have phone accessories that can really elevate your smartphone experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to get more out of your device, these gadgets will help make a big difference. Let's start with phone cases. A good case is essential to protect your phone from drops, scratches, and other damages. There are tons of options out there, from minimalistic cases to rugged and waterproof ones. Next up is screen protectors. A screen protector can save your phone's screen from scratches and cracks, which can be expensive to repair. I recommend getting a tempered glass protector for maximum durability. If you're a heavy user, you might also want to consider a portable charger. This will help you stay connected on the go, especially if you're traveling and spending a lot of time away from a power outlet. Another useful accessory is a car mount. This allows you to safely use your phone while driving, for navigation and hands-free calling. Finally, don't forget about headphones. A good pair of headphones can enhance your listening experience, whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls. So there you have it. Those are just a few must-have phone accessories that I recommend. What are your top phone accessories? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more tech tips and reviews.